motion, okay? Ready? Clap, clap. That was the first part. And then put that together in fast mode. Crap, hold on. That wasn't it. And then you have the other part to it. Here we go. See, after you do this part, grab it, you twist your arm like this, grab the cup, pull it up, hit it, and then push it down. I added a little thing. You just like throw it up, and then that was the cup song. I'll do it again for you.